Donald Trump unleashed tough rhetoric against his rivals as well as a protester at a Monday night rally, the even before the Nevada caucuses. "I'd like to punch him in the face," Trump said, remarking that a man disrupting his rally was escorted out with a smile on his face. "He's smiling, having a good time." The GOP front-runner also ratcheted up his attacks on Senator Ted Cruz, calling his Republican presidential rival sick. Trump claimed the protester was nasty as hell and accused the man of trying to punch the security officers forcing him out of the rally, though the man did not appear to be fighting off those officers. While Trump has at times urged his supporters not to hurt protesters, he has also repeatedly suggested that supporters should be handled more roughly. When a Black Lives Matter protester was punched and kicked by attendees at a Trump rally last fall, Trump remarked the next day that maybe he should have been roughed up. Shortly after that incident, the Trump campaign began making an announcement at the start of its rallies urging supporters to not harm any protesters, but instead shout "Trump, Trump, Trump," and wait for security officials to escort the protesters out.
Sa balay, lagis na bahay, wala buhat sa tagat. Naghiga, sinasangatan, wapalugit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatamis, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastila ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastila ni mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan sa mutalapia, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuruli sa kuwang ang pakwan, kuwang ang pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalapia, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuruli sa kuwang ang pakwan, kuwang ang pakwan. pakwan Nalaway pagyud sihuan sa katamisa Ay pastilari mo Jonathan ang magkasapakwan Nalaway pagyud sihuan sa katamisa Pakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang pakwan Samot na kung matalik, sikan makitan Yudali sa puwang a pakwan, puwang a pakwan Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang pakwan Samot na kung